the shirt. What's up? Go, Ned! Hey, red shorts got it. Dude, red shorts got it. Red shorts is gonna lose. No, red shorts got it. Come on. Come on! Let's get some! What I said! Pull him back! Hey, fight dirty! Get him down! Look at that kid laying on his belly out. Get up. Dude, Harrison, Jay! Dude, this canoe's getting very top heavy. You take a video right now, but you stop. Whoa.
Seriously, how do you feel? How do you feel about that effort on Nib Hill?
You know, it was kind of weak. I saw a guy on his belly crawling around like a goddamn fucking fish out of water trying to do a fucking snowman in the sand.
I'm pretty sure this is like the worst Nib Hill I've ever seen. Look at these dumbass motherfuckers.
They are not cutting it.
They don't have they have no fucking clue.
Where's Red Shorts at? He made it out. Oh,
they have no clue what's going on right now.
I'm like, can I get some real deep water for 2 minutes? 30 seconds.
Hey, trainer.
Somebody drink it.
I'm pretty sure I beat on about 40
Nicely played. I'm taking video right now.
That was good. Hey, Merva, remember the time that I welted you in the fucking imprint of the Jello shot on your stomach?
Merva, I need a Jello shot right
Hey, trainer, remember the time I scarred your face?
now. I got some titties too for you.
Once upon a time ago, trainer rescued me and my brain scarred his face. Ended up
Kyle Reed, how'd you feel about that Nib Hill? Did they do the job?
It was at least.
I thought it sucked.
Pretty good. Made it through the top.
It was okay.
Slow though.
It was pretty weak, I thought.
Fucking HD video.
I thought it was pretty weak.
Now their incline seems to be giving them problems.
I mean, I guess I should have gave him some more Jack Daniels. We've been trying to feed it to him.
Ask Harrison what he thinks.
Next time.
Harrison, what do you think about that effort?
I didn't see it.
Where the fuck were you?
I was drinking 9
You missed the whole thing. How do you miss that?
Is that a fucking waterproof camera?
Yeah.
That thing is awesome.
Yeah. I kind of want to just like dunk it in the river.
No. Yeah,
I kind of want to just dunk it in the river because I can.
It's not one of those like ghetto ass waterproof ones though, right? It's like a fucking
It's like a real digital
It's like
camera.
an actual digital fucking camera.
Right.
With a card.
Here, no, yeah, it's taking video right now.
Dude, this is
Get a shot of me doing this Jello shot.
Barnett fucking taking a Jello shot on Canoe Trip. Done. Dominated the fucking Jello shot right there. It looks like he has a nosebleed.
That's pretty much how you do that right there.
That is how you do a Jello shot. If you wanted to.
Zukor, I need you to do something for the video.
The more we drink,
Chug a beer, please.
so it's making us more top heavy.
Drink!
Done.
Not bad.
Fucking done.
Don't worry about it.
It looks like he has a nosebleed, but it's cool.
They're telling me that there's something wrong with my face right now.
That's just Jello.
I don't know if it's
Not blood.
I don't know if it's true or not.
I was following your lead, bud. You just so lucky. I'm gonna slam it as fast as I can.
The cup. The cup.
This is a very drunk motherfucker right here.
No, the cup. The fucking cup.
Yeah.